Yeah, we're Thermo Scientific, and we deal with the portable analytics for XRF instruments to identify metal for different industries, chemical, oil, and gas. We're able to do general metals, light metals, and in different verticals such as pipelines and other industries of that nature, fabrication and things like that. For the light metal application, we use an XL5. That's this instrument here. It's an XRF device. It's the smallest, lightest, most powerful instrument on the market today. And it's able to identify aluminums quickly or magnesium type alloys very quickly. I can do a quick demonstration for you. So we're going to shoot a piece of aluminum here using the XL5. Basically apply the instrument to the piece you want to test, and in just about 2 or 3 seconds you get your readout of aluminum. And this particular piece happens to be a 6061 piece, and there's your reading right there.